Good evening, guys. Today we will learn how to calculate the single summation in Excel without using coding or programming or Visual Basic. Let's see here our example. This is here x equal 1 to x equal 9. So x will take values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Equation x power 2. First of all, let's concentrate on the basic definitions. Please pay attention. What do we mean by upper limit? This is the maximum value for x. What we mean by start? This is the lowest value for the x. And equation for this one is x power 2. And another important definition is step. Step is the differences between x values. For example, here we have x1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the differences between these numbers is 1. Another example here, x is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The differences is 2. So the step is 2. Let's take a look on this another example. From x0 to x6, and x is taking only this number, the even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6. So the upper limit is 6, start is 0, the step is 2, and the equation is x minus 1 power 2. After we got familiar with this basic definition, let's see this our secret and lovely formula. The formula is sum product and open two parentheses. Pay attention to this formula. Sequence, round up, upper limit minus start plus 1 between two parentheses on step, divided on step, comma, 0, because we don't need any digit after the comma, comma 1, comma start, comma step, close the parentheses for the sequence. And this is power 2. Why? Let me explain. Upper limit is 9, we know it. Start is 1, we know it. Step is 1, we know it. X should be substituted by all this formula. Whenever you have x, y, or z, whatever, you have to replace it by this formula. So, and this is x, all this one is x, and this is power 2. Now, upper limit 9, and we substitute all these values, and we got this formula. Another example here, x1357 for factorial x on x minus 1 all, sorry, it should be plus, not minus. X plus 1 factorial is, power 2. The upper limit is 7, start is 1, step is 2, and the equation is this one. We substitute each x in this equation by, as I told you, this equation. Let's go and see. From here, fact to here is x factorial divided on this one is x plus 1 and x plus 1, and all is power 2. We substitute is with values, and we got this formula. Let's go now. Let's see this formula in reality. In reality, let's see here the formula summation x from 1357 for factorial x on x plus 1 all power 2. This is the number for the x, and this is calculation the factorial x, and this is the calculation for x plus 1 all power 2, and we divide this one on this one, we take the sum. So our formula is like this. Our formula is like this one. Sum product, open two parentheses. You see here fact from here. Fact with sequence formula is the factorial x. Divided on from here to here is x. As we agreed that each x should be substituted by sequence round up upper limit minus start plus 1 on step comma 0, then close the parentheses, comma 1 comma start comma step. This is the formula for the x. So here x plus 1, so this one is x plus 1. So with all power 2, as you can see, the power 2 power of 2 is after we close the parentheses. Here is the equation I explained now to you. You can see it, and you can see the two numbers are here, are the same. I hope you enjoy it, and I managed to explain it and make it easy for you to give you valuable information regarding calculation of single summation. Wait for me for next video and next session to calculate the multiple summation without VBA, without coding, without programming, just Excel formula. Thank you guys.